Yo, what's good, YouTube? I'm back. I was never gone. Once again, welcome back to the channel, guys. Thanks so much for tuning back in with me, for showing the love, for showing up. I'm gonna get right to it. So today, it's Cars in Contina. You know, it's, I believe it's the first Saturday of every month, if I'm not mistaken. I might be confusing it, I don't know. But we're on our way to... Oh, I scared the pigeons. Sorry, fellas. We're on our way to meet up with Caden, which is True Vision. He's going to be riding today. He is going to be borrowing his buddy Matt's bike, which you guys have seen here in the channel in the previous. It's an R6 blacked out with the gold accent. So he's going to be hopping on that bike today just to go to the meet, which should be fun. We're going to be taking it slow. Let's keep in mind that Caden is a beginner rider, so he is learning as he goes. Very good, as a matter of fact, because I've rode with him once or twice already, I think. So let's get there and let's meet up with the homie. Sit back and enjoy the video, guys. Enjoy this drone footage. Thanks to True Vision for hooking it up with some drone footage I've been wanting to put on the vlog. So enjoy. Hey, I like that merch. I like the hoodie, bro. What's up? What's up, homie?
It's different.
Yeah, what the fuck is this?
You gonna put your other vinyl you had on?
So I might go with the 2023 version, which is just gonna be this side.
I kind of like it.
Cause it doesn't need it, cause the bottom goes with the side, so.
I kind of like it.
Yeah, it looks different. Yeah. This is the new whip, James? This is the new whip? 50th anniversary C5. All right, so from here we're gonna head out to it's Cars in Contina, right? All right, so we're gonna head up there, see what's up. They were pointing out my bike here because this is actually the first time these guys see it in person. I actually did a little bit of a change to it. Did a full carbon nose piece on it. Full fender carbon on it, but with a color match paint. And I also did the rear tail section carbon, but with some custom paint on it. So I'll be going over that in a separate video, but for now you guys can kind of see it with the sun. I mean, I love it. I haven't done the front piece of it yet because I did a voting thing on my IG, see if you guys want the OE bag on it or just leave it plain white, which looks like a different bike if you look at it from the front. It looks kind of mean. Alright, let's get going, guys. I think it's a 30-minute ride, so it's kind of far out. Oh, and I need a service too. I gotta take it to BMW so they can reset it and whatnot. Look at this new whip. This kid is, I think he's 18, 19 years old, and he already bought a C5 cash, baby. No loan, no nothing. You see, if you work hard, fellas, you can achieve anything. I'll tell you that. And that's what I'm doing with this channel. Look at Caden. Look at Caden go. Man, riding like he's been riding for fucking 5 years. Look at him. He's been looking at me and Matt's ride for quite some time now, a little bit over a year now. So I can see where he's picking up some of the stuff we do. Posture, you know, holding onto the bike, holding onto the grips, everything, you know. So I can see how he's applying that into his own riding skills. Man, I had just stopped the camera and there was a kid in that truck. Pops pulled up and he was like, hey, he likes your bike, man. Love putting a smile on a kid every time. Once again with the Vendetta custom seat and full carbon bike. The only thing that's not carbon is the tank, this piece, and the side fairings. Everything else is carbon. Even if it's painted, it's carbon. So I was trying to do a walk around of the bike and I think my GoPro wasn't recording. I'm not even sure if I did record that. If I recorded it, this would not be in the vlog. If I didn't, then now you know why. I think this is probably the only time that I'll get to talk to y'all concentrated, because when I'm around people I still get a little bit off guard and my topic goes out and I can't keep my thought in line for me to keep talking about the same thing. As you saw in the previous vlogs, I was in Houston, right? And then I'm back in Dallas, right? I'm back home. But do want to like somehow implement meets in other cities, right? Obviously it's costing me, but I do have faith, I do have hope that eventually, you know, with a little side income from YouTube and a little side income from IG and stuff like that, and some of the partners, I think we can make it happen slowly but surely. You know, it's gonna take some time, and obviously only with the support from you guys, right? Because, man, let me tell you, like, this is an expensive hobby, right? If you're watching this channel, it's because you own a bike. If not, you're thinking about getting a bike, or probably just got a bike today. Who knows, right? But it is an expensive hobby. You know, you gotta, I mean, I'm not talking about the fuel, right? But just the fact of the tires, maintenance, you know, helmets, gear, gloves, you know, all that good stuff. If you're vlogging or if you're doing anything content related, you gotta buy cameras. You know, each Insta360 costs about $600. That's why you should get my discount, which is linked in my bio and my IG. Hey, I was smooth there, huh? I just love seeing the support that I get from all of y'all. You know, like, that's something that really feels good. It makes me have more passion for it, more than what I already did. So, like I said, just, you know, if you haven't subscribed already to the channel, please do so. Tell your granny, tell your auntie, tell your baby mama, tell your ex-girlfriend to sub up to the channel. Let's keep up those subs and those watch hours, you know what I'm saying? But it's a little bit tough. I think that's when people start giving up, you know, because before reaching 1,000 subscribers, which I do want to thank you guys for that, I did see those days where I didn't want to edit anymore. I didn't want to keep going, right? And before I make this too long, but just keep in mind that if you work hard, anything's possible. Just keep your mind to it. Come on, buddy. Come on, what are you doing? So yeah, guys, that was just a little pep talk I want to have with y'all. You know, from the bottom of my heart, I just want to thank y'all. Love you guys. Thanks so much for supporting me. I really do. Let me get Kid in here a little bit. Come on, yo. Look at him, putting his hand on his thigh like he's a bro. Look at this guy. He's gonna be good in a few months. I already know it. Yeah, I mean, he's got it. Look at his body posture, like he's getting there. Alright, careful with the turn, brother. There you go. There you go. He's leaning good. See, it's all about body position, right? Ideally, like, if you don't move your body, the bike's not gonna move. You gotta stick the ass out, you know what I'm saying? Like, man, we're gonna be looking back at these videos one day. You're gonna be like, damn, bro, I used to ride so slow. Let me show you his bed. Look at him. Look at that roll shot right there. Yeah. Woo, that red popping. And then we got Cadence 01 right here. Yeah. Woo, baby. We are here, ladies and gentlemen. So we got to be careful because there's always a high amount of security with cops from Plano. So we got to respect them, right? We got to respect the rules and everything. The rules and stuff. I can already see like 2 cops. Whoa, look at this line. Whoa. Damn, this is insane. It is insane. It's a huge event. This might be my thumbnail. Where's Caden? Insane amount of cars. Got a GT up ahead of us. You don't see that every day. Wow. hermano? What up, bro? Where can we park him at? Gotcha. Good to see you, bro. Man. You heard me or what?
What's that?
You heard me?
I heard you. Okay, I know that sound.
Yeah. What's up, bro?
How you doing, buddy?
Good to see you, man.
See you.
Hey.
Look at Cade looking like he knows what
Look at him, bro. This is Trippy right here. He's one of the park up front people, and really cool guy. He's a brother to me. You know, he's an awesome kid. So he heard me right now. He told me to just park the bike right there, man. Make yourself at home. So we're gonna walk around a little bit, show a couple of cars that we have, and then hopefully we see some rare cars, as we can already see. But it's a big event, big turnout. So let's get right down to it. This is the GT that we were behind. Beautiful machine by Ford. I mean, it had to be Ford, right? But wow, it's crazy. Is that an SVJ? Oh, look at that. Wow. So it turns out that this car is actually one of my buddies. I'm not sure if he wants me to say who he is on my video, but it's definitely a beautiful car. I don't know if my lens is picking it up. It's got the full carbon wheels. Beautiful car. He was telling me that he just got it not too long ago. I didn't even know he owned it, so it's a second one I see in person for sure. And this is his buddy. This is his buddy's STO. So I was talking to them, and then hopefully we can arrange something and make some cool content with these two beautiful vehicles. And one of the vlogs here soon, maybe in a couple of weeks. They did say that the weather has to warm up a little bit, so we got two STOs, a white one and a black one. I kind of digging the black one a little bit more. It's kind of sick. Homie Q, the one and only, man. Y'all gotta.
I gotta do my famous headbutt, bro. Bring it over here.
Bro.
Back.
Hey, this guy right here, man. He's the one. What up, yo? What up? This guy right here, bro. YouTube legend, bro. You know. Hey, before I started, bro, I had to ask him. I was like, hey, man, how do you do it, bro? I think I asked you back in Houston. Oh, no, in Florida. Yeah. I had to ask him, bro. I was like, hey, you got to tell me how do you do it, man? Because all of this editing, bro, it's just hard, man.
Yeah, it's hard. It's a lot of work, but I'm telling y'all follow Rafa. Y'all don't know. This Rafa right here, this 1000. He did my upper controllers on my truck, the shop, body shop, and thing. But anyway, man, Rafa, y'all content, bro, is real. Like, it's pure.
Man, I appreciate it, bro. We try to keep it raw, you know? We got to keep it raw.
Yeah, you and Mash, y'all got it, bro. Like, I enjoy watching all y'all videos. Y'all got that brotherhood, too. Y'all
Man, I appreciate that.
Yeah, I enjoy it.
That's the boy Q, man. I'm going to list his IG right here. Also, his YouTube over here. But y'all gotta YouTube, IG. Yep. There you go. Appreciate it, man. All right, ladies and gentlemen, kids and boys and girls. Ooh, that thing's loud. We're about to head out. It was a successful Cars in Contina once again. As you guys saw, I met up with the boy Q. Great guy. Go over there and show some love on his channel. Whew, Godzilla. I'm gonna go say bye to Mike and Trippy. All right, big guys, I'm out. Good seeing you guys. Good seeing you, sir. Good seeing you. Yeah, I'll see you right now. Yeah.
Is it charged?
Yeah.
Are we good? We rolling?
Yeah, we're rolling, man. We're rolling, baby. Hey, I like the hoodie. All right, guys, y'all be safe. What's up, bro? All right, guys. All right, Q. We'll see you later, bro. Bro, there's a lot of people. Bro, there's a car behind me, man. Bro, there's a cop behind me and I'm rocking no plate. Bro, the cop behind me and I'm rocking no plate, bro. Yeah, we'll make a left. Man, that's a lot of cops. And I'm definitely not trying to test them. Oh, brother. Hopefully he doesn't light me up. All right, here we go. Oh, he's turning around. Which way do we go? This way? Bro. Let me look back. Is he lighting us up? Oh man, I knew it. I knew it. I guess. Alright, we're gonna be polite here. It's gonna be for no plate. How's it going? How are you?
Stop you ain't got a license plate on.
Hey, it's in my truck, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Be showing.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna park right here because we all split up, right. And I'll put it on right now, yeah. Okay. But I can show it to you if you want.
Perfect.
Yeah, we're gonna meet up with the guys because we all split up, and this is not my side of town, so. Yeah, definitely, yeah. No, I kind of figured, but I appreciate you being so cool about it. Yeah, thank you, man. Thank you. Whew, I knew it. I knew it was gonna happen. Thumbnail. Yep. Bro, I knew that was the reason. Oh man, this is comedy, bro. Man, cool cop. Cool cop. It was too late to turn on the Insta on the back, but I wish I would have got that on the camera.
I thought I was about to get pulled over.
Bro, nah, he was really cool about it.
Okay, what did he say?
My plate.
I know. I don't have a plate on either.
He's right there chilling. So yeah, well, that was a success though. Cool cop, you know what I'm saying? So I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I don't want to be pushing the limits. This is not my side of town, so definitely not trying to do stupid things. As I always tell you guys, make smart decisions, you know. With that being said, I'm just gonna end the vlog here. It was a good time out with the boys at the cars in Contina. Really good time. Saw some beautiful cars, saw some cool people, friends, met some new friends. So, you know, thanks so much for everybody that shows love. Make smart decisions, don't fuck up. We're just gonna end the vlog here. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for tuning back in, showing the channel some love. As always, your boy S1K Rafa signing out. Till the next one, guys. Peace.